And I love the cute little pockets. Oh, I cannot say my ovaries because I already have this baby. Can you guess what's in this box? Let's see. Welcome to Vlogmas. So I don't even know if this is supposed to be a Vlogmas because I've not been recording for days now. I've been a little sick. Like I told you in my last vlog, everyone and their cat is sick this season. Let's get right into today's video. I ordered some things from Boots and Pretty Little Things. This is the first time I'm ever ordering anything from Pretty Little Things, and I am super excited to see what I got. A lot of girls order things and they say amazing things about them. Let's see if I'm going to feel the same way. I don't know what's in these boxes. You guys, there are some parts I'm not going to cut out of this video because I have two assistants by my side, my daughter and her younger sister. So you might hear their voice. I'm not going to cut it out. Oh! Wow. You guys should totally see what this looks like. And I am impressed. It's suede. I saw something like this elsewhere, but let's not talk about that. Oh my God. I love the height. I'm a little bit tall, but the fact that this is going to make me a bit taller gives me joy. It's so beautiful. Let me know if you want us to do a try on haul. This is just meant to be an unboxing video because I don't want it to be too long. But honestly, I love this. Girls, do you like this? Yeah. I love the color. It's brown, I know. Yeah, it is. The next one is a jumper, right? This looks big. I think I ordered this in medium. That's why I usually get some things in the size small. But anyway, jumper is not supposed to hug you. This is going to make me feel comfy doing all my school runs, house chores, and all of that. I think I'm gonna like to pair this with
the trouser, a jeans.
Yeah, it will actually pair well with a jeans or a leggings. I like it. Talk of the texture, the material.
Mommy, I like the design.
I do too. I do. You do? I love the texture and it's actually thick. I'm impressed for the price point. I don't think this is up to 15 euros compared to ones that I've gotten from other places. I really do love it. This is another one and it comes with a hoodie. Ooh! A hoodie. Yeah, I really like it. I like the texture as well, but I just hope it doesn't come off, like it doesn't become loose. Let me give you a closer look at what the texture looks like. There's so much hair or wool coming out of it. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy it. Next box. One of the things I like about this order is the fact that it came on time. It's the first time ordering from Pretty Little Things and they did not disappoint. They said it was going to come on 24th and today is 22nd, right? Today is 22nd. That's a bonus for them. The fact that they were able to deliver on time. And this one, it looks like mesh. I need to layer up to be able to wear this so that I don't freeze. Let's see. The good old way of measuring if it's going to fit you. It looks small. I think I ordered this in the size small. Let me look at it. Yeah, it should fit because I'm not that big. It looks small, right? But it's going to fit me. This is supposed to be like a mini dress. I'm actually amazed at the quality of these things from Pretty Little Things. What the girlies are saying about them is all true. This feels so good. This is another jumper and it comes with fleece lining, which means this winter has nothing on me, nothing on me, nothing on me. Imagine if I had gotten this in a size medium, I would totally get lost in it. It looks really nice. It looks so good and I am sure I'll feel super comfy in it. This is a jogger. Everything I ordered is supposed to be for mom style because I barely go anywhere. So when I'm choosing what to buy online, I always get something I would actually wear. not something that will be in my wardrobe. Considering the fact that this is winter season, so I need to keep myself super warm and comfortable. Look at this. I love the color, and it has fleece lining as well. This is a skirt, you guys. I didn't know what I was thinking when I decided to add this to cart. Considering the fact that it's been so long that I intentionally got myself a skirt. I got this in a size medium because there are some clothes that would fit me perfectly in size small or medium. So let's see what it looks like. I hope I don't have to return anything from this order because I am absolutely loving it. I don't know what material this is. Okay, this is woven. It's not knitted and it feels super warm. This is another gray. I think this is a dress. Oh no, it's a jumper again. It's a jumper and it's a size medium. This looks beautiful. I love the color because this is the first colorful thing among all of this. It's because anytime I see something beige, I'm always drawn to it. I love something comfy, warm, you know. I love colors. I love neutral tones more. So when I was looking at my cart, I decided to add one color. It's meant to be like a mini dress. And my daughter actually has something like this. So we will twin. We still have one more box from PrettyLittleThing. So far so good. They are living by their name. These are PrettyLittleThings. What's in this box, you guys? Can you guess? Can you guess what's in this box? Let's see. 1, 2. Boot. Oh my god. The quality. I hope it fits me. I usually wear a size 40. If I'm getting shoes with pointy toes, I usually go a size higher, but they only have size 40. So I hope it fits me because this looks too gorgeous to be returned. You guys, the material. It looks like something that will last a very long time. I love it. It's beautiful. And it has a zipper. Let's take out whatever. I want to wear this right now. I really want to wear it right now. I'm going to put it on and show you guys. You guys, I feel so comfortable in this. I love how well it fits me. I'm actually surprised that a size 40 of a pointy toe shoe would fit me like this. I love the balance. Actually, I love how it feels. I can't wait to style it for you. You should totally get one for yourself if you're looking for something like this. Another thing I love about this shoe is that if you have bigger legs, it can expand. There's an elastic here that will make it fit a little more, unless of course you are on the very huge side. But yes, this is an added bonus and it feels so comfortable. You'll be surprised at how much I got it for. I'm going to put the price up so you guys can see it. Let's move on to the next unboxing from Boots. So these ones are skincare and some things for my baby. This one is a pram suit. He can wear it in the buggy when we're going out to keep him cold. And if it's too cold inside, he'll wear it indoors as well. One thing I love about this is that it's a zipper one. Easy to put on and take off. Just gorgeous. And it's fleece. Isn't this just cute? I cannot wait for this boy to be running around in his little trousers. I only got it in this big size, 9 to 12 months. Even though he's only 6 months old, Oh my Bambi. He'll wear it when he is big enough, but this is so cute. I love it. This is like a chino, by the way. And I love the cute little pockets. Oh, I cannot see my ovaries because I already have this baby. Look at that. I will always get zipper suits. You guys, I will never again, even though this is my last baby, get popper suits. Zippers over poppers. See, I got all this for half price. Boots are currently doing half price on all of their children's clothes. So yes, some are even better than half price. I think I'm gonna put the price up. So this is supposed to be 12 euros, but I think I got it for 6 euros. Like I said, I put the price up. This one is only one-way zipper. Yeah, it's still better than poppers, but two-way zippers would have been better. I also got it in 9 to 12 months. This is going to be a little big for him, but by the time he's like 7 months or over 7 months, he will be able to wear it because let me tell you, this boy is growing really quickly. I also love the bear. My daughter just told me this is a bear, not a lion, because I was about to call it a lion. And the little pocket. What is it going to do with the pocket? But yeah, it's cute, right? To add a bit of style. And they used their head because they put this footy lining on the bottom because the boy should be walking by 12 months. Even if he's not walking, he'll be holding things to stand around. It makes so much sense and the material is good. To add a bit of details, it has this lines. Yeah, can you see the texture to it, which makes it so gorgeous. This is mother care. I usually like bundles like this because you can just get 2 more of this and your baby has a ton of clothes to wear around the house, you know. So this one is for when he's a little older because we're moving out of the sleep suits era into 2-piece era because he's been wearing more sleep suits ever since he was born. I mean, babies live in sleep suits, so that's more practical. I've been wearing sleep suits for him always, except of course when we're going to church. And the reason is, if you wear 2-piece for a baby, it will keep folding up when you carry them. But now that he's going to be sitting, standing, crawling, and whatever, he's growing, right? It's more practical for us to shift. And this, look at the color. For the fact that the boy is a light-skinned baby, you guys, he's going to look so cute in this. Unreal. Gorgeous. They are supposed to be 17 euros. 17 euro 50. But like I said, I got everything for half price and some of them for better than half price. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, isn't it gorgeous? And last but not least, for the boy, a dungarees. This looks too big for a 6-month-old. Although they say 6 to 9 months, it's tall. If ever you're thinking of buying mother care for your baby, just know that their sizes are bigger than other sizes, which is good if you have a big baby. But for smaller babies, you should test them out because I have a lot of mother care clothes and I noticed their sizes are bigger than the ones I got from, say, Next or Dawn's. Beautiful. And their qualities are actually good. When I was in Nigeria, I used to hear a lot of moms say, mother care, mother care. Now I understand why. Because they have really good quality items. This one comes with a popper on the bottom for easy diaper change. I don't know what color it's going to look like on camera, but this is a sky blue. And that's it for the unboxing of clothes. The skincare I got, this one is eye jelly patches. Because I tend to have dark circles here because of tiredness and all that mom stuff. So I decided to get this Nip and Fab. patches. I'm going to open it so that you can see, but I'm not using any one just yet. I would like to apply it on a clean face. I already have my skincare on, but just so you see. And for me, I feel like this is value for money rather than getting those one set patches. So this is going to be, this is 20, so 10 sets. Like I said, it's value for money. I'll put the price up so you can see, because off the top of my head, I cannot remember how much I got it for. I also got this The Ordinary lip balm. I've heard a lot of good things about this lip balm, so let's try it to see if it works. Can you see that? It feels lightweight, but I don't think it has as much shine. Well, it's supposed to be lip treatment to protect your lips from this winter dryness. I've been using Lano lip, but I also heard good things about this one. I decided to give it a try. See, I'll let you know how I feel about it in my next video. I also got this Nivea one for the car, so that when we are in the car and our lips feel dry, we can apply it. It's a stick lip treatment. They say Hydro Carry Lip Balm. I like that it melts really well, and it actually feels a lot thicker than this one. It's going into the car. Well guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like us to do a try on haul for both me and the baby, or just me, in the comments, and I'll be glad to see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Bye.